Morning everybody, welcome to the 2023 Pepson Plastics Kawasaki official launch day before the season starts. Happy to bring back on the sponsors and some new sponsors with Motul, Michelin, Scottish Cables, Gilberts Mining and Reinhardt Transport. So we're looking forward to a good season and we're going to put our best into it and let's go and have some fun this year.
Hi guys, I'm Jaycee from Motul, South Africa, and today we're with the Pepson Plastics Kawasaki team for their 2023 launch. Looking forward to a good year of racing. We've had a good partnership in the past years with the Pepson team. It's good to see green back on the line. I think the association between Motul and Kawasaki and the Pepson team is a good one for us. I mean, it allows us obviously to continue with our team, our research, our product spectrum. I mean, everything through from motor lubricants, gear oils, brake fluids, maintenance care through the range. Looking to a good season in 23 and happy to see more Kawasaki's on the line soon.
I'm from Bikewise, and yeah, we're here with Pepson today for the team launch. This is the new bikes, the XCs. Bike's absolutely stunning, puts exactly wherever you want to put that front wheel. It just tracks, goes dead straight, lots of power. It's actually a lot of fun to ride, and I'm sure they're going to bring home some championships this year.
Mm-hmm.